Hey y'all, it's Wolfman Snaps once again, and welcome back to Full Moon Fireworks for Artillery Shell Kit Week. Today we're talking about sus shells from Sky King Fireworks. They come packed 12 balls to a kit. And boy, let me tell you, these balls had it all. Brocades, mines, tails, colored stars, willows, they had everything. And I think they were pretty decent for the price that we paid and what you get out of the kit. And so I don't know, y'all let me know in the comments what you think. Are these things looking a little suspect, or do they deserve official ball shell accreditation? Y'all let me know. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, be a light in the dark. See you, pyros.
Hey, Octo-Rec, free advertising. Sus shells by Sky King Fireworks. Sus shells with Sky King Fireworks. Sus shells, Sky King Fireworks. Sus shells with Sky King Fireworks. Sus shells, Sky King Fireworks. Sus shells, Sky King Fireworks.